guys, so today I'm back with another video. And today's video, by the title, it's going to be a day of a slime scammer. So let's get right into the video. Oh, and I forgot, I'm sorry that I'm a little bit lower. My chair just broke. So yeah, and please do not mind the background noises. I tried to close the door, but yeah, I hope that works out. Hey. So, I think I have a slime package. Yeah, this is the slime package. So, yeah. Let's get into it. Let's see about this slime package. I don't really know about it. It's a couple of scribbles and stuff. But, yeah, let's see. Alright. So, this girl. I guess it's a girl because most girls like slime. But this person, let's say, wants 2 pink slimes, I think. 2 pink slimes, $8. 1 red slime, 1 jumbo red slime, $10. 1 purple slime. She don't even know how to spell purple. It looked like an R, but I think it's purple. 1 purple slime, $5. 1 yellow slime, $5. 1 blue slime, $5. 1 peach slime, $5. 1 green slime, $5. Please include extras by Olivia. Okay, so her name is Olivia, so that has to be a girl's name. And let me check on my list to see if it's really her. I have a list on here somewhere, right? Oh, here's my list. Okay, so her name is on here. Yeah. Here's her name right there. Okay. Okay, she does want a couple of things. Because I have a list. Yeah. So I have a bag for her. She better be grateful because I don't got nothing else. Is there a hole in it? Nope. Air she good. This is a big bag. Alright, so she want 2 pink slimes. What's this? It has a, oh, it's not pink. It's purple. Do I have another slime? I had a pink cap. It's a little bit slime. You can see, right? It's not even slime, it's kind of Play-Doh. Okay. What ifs? This away. And I think I have an actual pink slime. So I think I will give her the actual pink. I think this was an actual pink slime. Oh, this is actually a good slime. Why am I giving this to her? Huh? Whatever. Just give it to her. I don't really care. Just a slime. I can get a billion more. 2 slimes already packed up. 1 red jumbo. I have red jumbo. I don't want to give her my red jumbo. Red jumbo. Okay, red jumbo. It's not always filled up. And I think that's because I have more. But I just don't feel like getting it. I know where it is, but I don't feel like getting it. So we're just going to give this to her. At least I'll have more. And I'm definitely going to send her her paper bag. Because, yeah. Because she really... Now what does she want? 1 purple slime. Okay. This has to be purple. Yes, it is. Alright, so it's purple. Purple slime. $1 yellow slime, $5. 1 yellow. What's this? Okay. I don't know about this. Alright, it actually looks really cool. So it's kind of like, it's like a yellow. I guess this is scented because it smells like bananas. I guess it's it's yellow. You see like the yellow pieces, but it's pink a little bit. So we just gonna give it to her. Happy birthday to you. Let me stop. Give this to her. The top is yellow. Come on. Oh, what's another slime? Oh, she wants a blue slime. It's purple. Right? She won't know because like it's the top. Yeah, whatever. I can't close it. Okay. Whatever slime. She wants a peach slime. Here's a peach one. Oh, this is Play-Doh. It's sticky. Oh, okay. Just gonna give this to her. Put the cap on. Oopsies. This is fully tight. What else does she want? Because I'm getting a little tired. One green slime. I don't think I have a green, but I think this is like a yellowish green slime. So yellowish green slime. I can give this to her. It's not slime. So yeah. Is that everything? Yeah. And so let's just give it to her. Hey guys, so today I have another video. It's Olivia. So we have, oh, it's so big. I have this big slime and I see my red slime. So I really don't think, oh, okay. Well, I just saw my paper on the floor and all my extras. I don't know how. Here's an extra, I think. Look at all these. I just put them on the table. I just gotta reach. Oopsies. She gave me some paints. And that's all she gave me. And I saw her video, and I think she said that, like, I didn't really look at all the slimes. I didn't look at all the slimes, but I think she said that she forgot to put them in, so she put them. You guys can't even see my head. So, yeah. I didn't watch the slime part, though. This is a minion. Oh, this could go with my collection. Or it could go with my grandmother, or my great-grandmother's collection. Okay, got a little bath wash, body wash. Some purple finger paint, soap. I guess it's like soap finger paint, I don't know. Some red. So yeah, here's my note. I'm gonna just tell you all the slimes. 2 pink slimes, $8. One red jumbo slime, $10. 1 purple slime, $5. 1 yellow slime, $5. 1 blue slime, $5. 1 pink slime, $5. 1 green slime, $5. Please include extras. And she did that. So yeah. Let's start with this one. Oh, let's get it. Alright, so this must be my purple slime. It's a dough. This is not slime. Really, the first one has to be bad. Okay. Great. Just great. These days, I just don't like people when they do this. Please don't let this be a slime pack. I mean, a scam slime package. Just might as well just put it with my Play-Doh collection. This is my yellow. Please don't. First of all, this is barely even yellow. If they will give me it as a dough, you could at least give me a barely yellow slime, like an actual slime, instead of just giving me a dough. And these are actually doughs because I had them before. Really? Who is driving? Like, what time is it? Oh, it's only 6:24. But really? Are you kidding me? Okay, whatever. Dough collection. Please don't let this be a dough. It's not even the same color. It's purple. Why purple? Why? Is it like her favorite color, purple or something? Cause why? Just why? Oh, this is so not good. I hate this. Close up. Gosh. What else do I have? Alright, this has to be slime because it's not all those same containers. Please be a slime. It's not a slime. What is this? It's sticky. Oh. Alright, we're going to do an ASMR real quick. Now, what is that? What else? I try to be nice. Now I can't put the top on. That was my fault. I squeezed it. I guess this could go in my dough collection. What's this? Okay. It's light. It's so light. Alright. Let's just let it roll around. Alright, let's see what it is. This must be one of my pink slimes. I haven't got my peach slime. I see my red jumbo slime. At least that's actually jumbo. Really. And I think this is the Play-Doh that she mixed with that yellow one. Really. People these days just want to put it in there. What's this? Are you kidding me? Are you literally kidding me? I just can't do it. I buy these lines, I give them the money, and then they give me scams. Scams! Oh God, I just don't like it. I just don't like it. Alright, better be a slime. Ooh, it's gonna be slime. It's slime, guys. Let's see the slime. This is finally slime. Nice. Okay, it's a little rippy. I'm gonna put some hot water. I can fix it. With some nice slime. Alright, this is one of my pink slimes. And the other one was a red slime, you know. On to the next. Last slime. My jumbo. Oh, what's wrong with it? So big. What the heck? This is, hold up. Let me give this a close up of the little tiny piece of it. It's sticky. It's not like a sticky where it's like all over your hands or something. It's like a sticky, I don't know how to explain. It's like a store-bought sticky. And I think this is store-bought. Yep, it's store-bought. It's glitzy. Yeah, I saw this in the store before. Glitzy slime. Okay, whatever. Glitzy. Now how am I going to get this on my hands? Oh. Take this out a paper towel. This is just crazy. So that's all my slimes that I got. Now what am I going to do? You gave me bad slimes. I hate it. I'm not getting no more slimes. Bye. Okay, that was weird. She literally just contacted me and said I didn't give her no slimes. I literally gave her a pink slime. This is crazy. This is nonsense. Now, you know, I'm not selling no more slimes. You know, actually, I'm going to sell some more slime because I'm going to just not give it to her. She just does too much. Okay, you guys, I hope y'all like this video. This video was so long. I'm so sorry about that. And yeah, I hope y'all like this video. I'm gonna edit this video because I don't. But yeah, you guys, peace.